Welcome to Visa's Vlog, a homemaker's diary. This is the video to list out the hierarchy of fallen angels in Paradise Lost Book 1 by John Milton. Paradise Lost is an epic poem. It starts with the address of the fallen angel Satan to other fallen angels who violated the command of God and banished from heaven to hell. The first in the list is Beelzebub. Beelzebub was next to Satan in power and crime. In heaven, Beelzebub wore costly and colorful dresses which were as attractive as golden dresses. As Beelzebub supported Satan, he was thrown away from heaven to hell. In hell, his complexion was completely darkened. Though he lost his physical lustre, he was strong in his determination to take vengeance on God. The next one is Moloch. Moloch was a dreadful deity who welcomed the sacrifice of children in his altar. The priests in his temple played drums and timbrels in a loud manner to soften the pathetic cries of the children who had burned to death there. Solomon was a great king. He was popular for his wisdom. As he was persuaded by his mistresses, built a temple for Moloch. Jews called this temple as hell. Chemos is the next fallen angel. Chemos was a Moabite sun god. He was called as Par or Bowl. Lustful orgies characterized the worship of Chemos. The ethical-minded Josiah, the king of Judah, cleansed Jerusalem by demolishing the temples of both Moloch and Chemos. The next fallen angel in the list is Baalim. Baalim represented all male gods. The Israelites were drawn to these animal-shaped deities and gave up their real God. As a result of this misplaced devotion, they were defeated by their enemies in a battle. Ashtoreth is the next fallen angel. Ashtoreth was the goddess of war and sexual love. She was a female deity with crescent-shaped horns. She was the goddess of the moon and was regarded as the queen of heaven. Solomon, the king of Israel, built a temple for her because of the pressure given by his mistresses. The next one. Tammuz was a Syrian god equivalent to Adoni. Adoni is the lover of Venus. He was attacked and killed by a boar but permitted to return to life once in a year. The river Adoni ran red in spring as a result of the red soil brought by the heavy waves. But the worshippers of Tammuz mistook that the river was reddened by the blood shed of the wounded Tammuz. So they passionately sang the loud tale of Tammuz. Dagon was the next fallen angel. Dagon was a sea monster. He had the physique like man in the upward portion and the physique like fish in the downward portion. The Philistines captured the ark of God and placed their own god Dagon in it. The head and hands of his statue were broken by the ark. The damaged statue was a disgrace. So it fell flat in order to hide itself from its worshippers and cried bitterly. The next fallen angel. Rimmon was a Syrian god. King Ahaz was attracted towards Rimmon. He built a temple for him in Jerusalem. A leper by name Naaman was cured by Elijah, that is a prophet, and promised to demolish the temples of false gods such as Rimmon. Osiris is the next fallen angel. He was a sun god. Horus was Osiris' son and Isis was Osiris' wife. They were represented in various animal forms. Jehovah destroyed all these dummy gods at one stroke while passing from Egypt. Belial is the next fallen angel. Belial was the most vicious of the fallen angels. He corrupted places like courts, palaces, and cities. The sons of Belial take delight in seducing the helpless women at night. Mulciber is one of the fallen angels. He is the architect of Pandemonium. He constructed many palaces for the heavenly angels, but God did not show him any favor for his craftsmanship. Like the other followers of Satan, he was also thrust into hell. The common qualities of all these fallen angels are that they are in wicked animal shapes and lure men to give up the true God. I hope that the efforts to list out the hierarchy of the fallen angels in Paradise Lost Book 1 by John Milton will be useful to many aspirants who prepare for examinations. We will meet in the next video with the description of the speciality of Pandemonium.